Hold on. Did you want to become a millionaire? Well, I do too. So I need your help. If 1 million people send me $1 million, that means I'll become a millionaire by night. But I need your help. If you all send me $1, huh? Hello? What? I can't beg people for money online? Says who? Oh, okay. Job? Now I told you about saying that word near me. I don't like that. Fine.